Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing very well. The following question was asked in GATE exam and the question is very easy. Question is consider an Ethernet segment with the transmission speed of 10 ki power 8 bits per second and a maximum segment length of 500 meters. If the speed of propagation of the signal in the medium is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, then the minimum frame size in bits required for collision detection is what? So, the bandwidth is 10 to the power 8 bits per second. The distance is 500 meter and the velocity is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, which is already given. Now transmission time, it should be greater than 2 into TP for Ethernet. This is the standard formula. TT should be greater than 2 into TP, where TT is transmission time, TP is propagation time. So the transmission time formula is there. That is uh, fragment size divided by bandwidth should be greater than or equal to 2 into distance by velocity, and now just to substitute the value which is already there. So the fragment size should be greater than or equal to 2 into distance by velocity into bandwidth, and here I am getting 2 into the distance is 500 meter and 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second into 10 to the power 8 bits per second. So if you are going to get cancelled, the fragment size I am getting is 500 bits. 500 bits, right? 500 is the correct answer for this gate question. So easy question. It was just formula based question, right? I hope it is clear. Please do subscribe for more such solutions.